So these are the remote for the TV. This one is for the TV and this one is for the cable. Make sure that the plug is plugged in. Turn it on like this. And go to source and HDMI 1. Source, select HDMI 1 in order to use the cable or YouTube. And how can you tell if the cable is on? Is the red dot on the side over there. If it's not on, just press this button. Wait a little bit for it to load. And that's it. You can access YouTube and anything on the internet as long as the cable is connected to the Wi-Fi, which you can use the Wi-Fi and the password from here. And you can select, for example, YouTube. Use this remote.